Sometimes your internet feels slow, websites don't load, or apps stop working, even though your connection looks fine. In many cases, the problem isn't your internet speed, but the DNS your network is using. Your internet provider's DNS can be slow, unstable, or even block certain websites. That's why many users switch to public DNS services like Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. These DNS providers are usually faster, more reliable, and can improve website loading, app connections, and overall browsing, especially on mobile data or public Wi-Fi. Now, let's see how to change DNS on an Android phone. Method 1. Private DNS. This method changes DNS for all networks on your phone, including Wi-Fi and mobile data. It's the best option if your phone supports it. However, not all Android devices offer private DNS. This option can be found under Connections or Network and Internet, depending on your phone model and Android version. You can also use the settings search bar and search for DNS, then tap Private DNS. Next, select Private DNS Provider hostname and enter the DNS server you want to use. Depending on the DNS service you want to use, enter one of the following. For Google DNS, enter dns.google. For Cloudflare DNS, enter 1.1.1.1. These two DNS services focus on speed and reliability. If you want to block ads and trackers on your phone, AdGuard DNS is commonly used for this purpose. Enter dns.adguard.com. When finished, tap Save. From now on, all your internet connections will use this DNS server for website and app name resolution. Method 2. Wi-Fi DNS. This method changes DNS only for the selected Wi-Fi network. Mobile data will not be affected. Go to Settings, then Wi-Fi. Tap your connected network and choose Edit. Open Advanced Options. Change IP settings to static. In the DNS1 and DNS2 fields, enter the following values, depending on your provider. Google DNS, 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Cloudflare DNS, 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. AdGuard DNS, 94.140.14.14 and 94.140.15.15. Tap Save. And that's it. Now you have changed the DNS server on your Wi-Fi network. How to check if DNS is working. After changing the DNS server, you can test it based on why you changed it. If you changed DNS for speed, open your browser on the phone. Go to fast.com. Wait a few seconds and check the speed result. You can switch DNS back to automatic and test again to compare the results. For extra confirmation, you can also use a DNS checking app from the Play Store to see which DNS server is currently active. You can use My DNS app, for example. It allows you to confirm that the new DNS is active. Using the right DNS provider can improve speed, stability, privacy, and even block ads on Android. If you face any issues, you can switch back to automatic DNS at any time. If you want stronger privacy, full encryption, and access to blocked or geo-restricted content, using a VPN is a better solution. You can anytime try Seed4.me VPN application. It works reliably on Android and is easy to set up. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and follow for more simple Android and internet tips.